to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ, the lesson 12, learning Kung Fu at home. 同学们好，有事 answer me. 老师好。Let's quick review from lesson 11, the content. Both hand on your waist, and both hand to make circle to your right. Left hand, palm, right hand, fist. And you go big step, and you push forward. And both hand come back like a fist, come back your shoulder. Go, open. Then you go blocking and punch. You go blocking and punch. And both hands from up, go blocking. And you go kick. And you go 1, 2, 3. With your palm, with your whole stance like this. Beautiful, strong combo. Let's continue the lesson 12. Follow me now. The first basic from lesson 12. The circle punch. Hand, palm. Circle. The right hand from up go down, and left hand to make circle the punch from inside. You go attack, and left hand to under. So we start practice. Also your leg go to. Okay, see this technique. Also your body lean a little back this way. Clearly this is a blocking move. You go attack. Same time. If they are kicking you back, you go knee lift. And the way you go lean back and you can attack far away. This one is a straight move. Punch and elbow. So when you punch, you go vertical, which is a powerful punch right, and then come back left, and quick. Your elbow go this way, and your left hand just go push. So this is attack both direction, left and right. See the feet work. Both hands on your waist. You twist to left. Vertical punch right. Vertical punch left. Transfer. Middle like horse stance. Elbow to right. Your left arm to push. The next technique, 下砸拳. From the top, your hand rotate your elbow. And you go. This technique like you throw a ball to somewhere and your elbow relax and the power out the last point to attack your target. And your waist from the left hand rotate this way and with good power, and you make a big step right this way. 1, 2. The big step is something happen after the big strike, which is 双推掌, knee lift. This is a balance move in Kung Fu wushu practice. Your both hand push as both palm. Your right hand just right joint of your left. At the same time you go knee lift. To hold your center line, always stay in the center, and our weight stays in your right leg, and quick knee lift. And you try to go hold high you can. The kicks. In this combo, we have low kicks and high kicks with side kick. It's very useful. So follow me now. You go kick, see. See this combo. The first, you cross your both hand to go kick down to someone join right here, kick and come back. And you go high kick, both hand open, and you go down to go attack whatever move after. In order to hold your balance for the kick, your body lean a little bit sideways, the right side. You cross your hand, you go kick. You see both hand open and quick go back to keep your balance with the speed of a low kick. That's a good speed and very powerful. Once you go back and you go a bigger kick, open your hand and you kick high, your body in order to lean a little bit more, you can kick higher. So see this together. So 1, 2, go, side. Follow me for the tutorial step by step for the form. So let's start the first. The four movements part after the lesson 11, the last move, and you go this is a great combo. After you go boom push palm, your hand become the fist. You go punch 1 and punch 2, and you go the same way body from left lean very far because that is the distance you get to attack, and you make a big step boom from your right knee lift, big step power and waist twist and relax your shoulder, everything from up and go down. So follow me a few times to achieve this part as high quality of movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great work. One more time. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 2 more. Get this done. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Learn last time. Go. Twist and rotate. With your double punch. Big strike. And you both hand from front. Come back to your waist same times. You make a big knee. Are you landing? You both hand and you go attack with your both fist. Knee strike. Your body lean a little back. Increase a little bit distance and power to convert for your knee strike with a short distance, close combine. Once the people closer, boom, with this. But if people in far distance, you can to kick. Or you can combine them with knee and kick, knee and kick. Face. You both hand come back to middle and switch, double punch. And your right hand from top, attack. And quick come back. Blocking by your right hand and left hand push palm. So follow me now. 1. Yeah, push touch. Double punch right this way. And right hand to go up. From top, go strike and come back down and go push. With that strike. And quick switching. Palm and fist. Blocking and attack. So this move is a great combo. You attack right and left with a circle punch. And quick comeback, attack at the other side. You see your body movement, that's called Shenfa. Your body movement very important with your center line, but with your waist. Twist. Let's see this. So 1, 2, 3, attack this way. You landing, come back this way. And you go, boom, attack. Clearly you attack both sides to this side. And come back at this side. You go, boom, attack. Land, you both hand, come back from here. And your left hand go this way. This is a 2 punch with 2 steps. 1, you say you gotta go 1, short punch to come back, quick step 1, 2, at the same time. Once you're landing, you make a first punch and quick 2 steps. And ready for the last punch with your big steps. This part we have a low kick and high side kick. After we followed by the strike, left hand and right hand. You say the left hand, you got attacked by this part of your hand. You go this way, and your right hand follows from top. There's this part, you go to punch down. Let's follow and put all basics together to become today combo for lesson 12. Also, at the end, follow me from lesson 11 content and plus today content all together. Let's go. Last move from the lesson 11. You both hand. Come back to your waist, you punch right and punch left, and you go elbow, you make a big step left, and you go attack by your single hand, your right hand, and your both hand come back, same time you go knee strike, your body lean back. As soon as you're landing, your both hand become double hand strike, so you go 1 cross and you lift and double punch. After this, your right hand from top, you go attack with strike, flat. And quick come back to protect your head, and you push palm. Same time you do horse stance. You look left side. Quick stand up, circle punch from the inside, and you go knee lift, attack. This way, and quick landing. Your right hand make a circle, come back to your right side, and you go attack. This way. And as you're landing, you go punch, quick 2 steps, and make a last strike. After this, you both hand to make a small circle, quick cross, and you go knee lift, you make small kick, and come back, make high kick, and landing. You both hand, become fist, left hand from back, top, go strike, right hand also strike. Also, you can leave a comment, let me know if this is a help to improve your healthy, your speed, your power, your balance, your 精气神, your spirit, your focus. Let's follow me from the move number 1 from lesson 11 until the end of lesson 12. Ready? Both hand become fist on the top. And left hand become palm, right hand become fist. So make a big circle to your right side, knee lift, your toe 45, next step, and you push, make a high empty stance, you go, and both hands become fist, just come back straight to the shoulder, and knee lift, to open your leg, to get ready, and your left hand from down to up, blocking, and you go, press right, with your high stance, and same thing for other side, blocking, and go, punch. Both hands become palm, back to your waist, from top, you step back, you go, to blocking, right, down side. After that, you both hands come back to your waist, to make heel kick strong, open your hip, you go push palm, 1, and 2, push palm, right, and left, and you go, right. We continue, punch, right, vertical, and left, vertical, and big elbow. Come back this side. You make a big step. You go, boom, strike, single strike with your whole power. Both hands come back to your wrist. You make a knee strike, and switch, and double punch with your both stance. After this, you go quick cross and switching, and knee lift with horse stance and double punch. And your right hand from top, and you go boom, strike this side, and your right hand rotate to the top, protect your height, and you go push palm, horse stance same time. Look at your left side, and your right hand go down to make a circle, and you go attack with your knee lift. Your body lean back this way, you land, your right hand come back, and you go attack this way. And as soon as you land, you make your right hand quick come back to wrist, you go quick punch, step 1, 2, and make a big step. After the strong punch, you both hands make a circle, small, go cross, make a step your right, quick knee lift, you go strong, a quick kick, low kick, quick come back, high kick, and landing. Your both hand become fist, your left hand to make a big circle, attack, and right hand same time for break, attack as well. That's all for today, and thank you very much to watch. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, keep practice. I believe you will be getting better and better. I see you in next video, and bye bye.